presentation on 2 Windows features and a desktop gadget. The 2 features that I will discuss are Windows Search and performance improvements. Last, I'll show you the desktop gadget called WeatherBug. It's always good policy to keep your data well organized. A little thought will go a long way in helping you keep track of where everything is and avoid time-consuming searches. Nevertheless, no matter how hard we may try, things like documents and folders get lost or misplaced. If you have a relatively organized system, the basic search feature will usually help you find them quickly and easily. But in those cases where the system is highly disorganized or you just can't find something, an understanding of the advanced search features will be useful. It all starts here at the Start menu. Just start typing what you're looking for. Here's a helpful hint. As you start typing, you'll notice categories such as documents or libraries will appear. Also notice that just above the search window, you will see More Results. Click either to get an extensive highlighted list. Here's an example. Often you have a general idea what you're looking for and where it is located. For example, you know something is located in the Documents library. You can simply go to the Documents library or folder and use the search window located at the top right. Sometimes you need to use operators to give you some flexibility to search on multiple targets. And, or, and not let you mix and match terms to help find exactly what you're looking for. Just remember, operators must be in uppercase. Filters are the next level of search. Filters enable you to find search properties like the date or file type. The key when using filters is that you must start your search in a file or drive that you suspect the data that you are looking for is located. The filters are available will depend on where you are doing your search. You can combine filters with regular search terms to create pretty flexible searches. Keyword search is the most advanced search technique. Keyword search requires special notation. Here are just a few examples. Natural language search is easy, or it might seem easy. You simply just start typing what you're looking for. It also allows you to combine with all the other methods as well. The big thing to remember here is that you can end up with a huge output. The results can be huge, much larger than you expected. You set it up using the Search tab under the Folders options. Folders options are found in the Control panel. The next feature I will brief you on is performance improvements. There are 3 components of performance improvements that I will cover: Performance Information and Tools, Windows Experience Index, and the Ready Boost. Performance Information and Tools consists of 5 tools which we will review here, and they are accessed from the Control panel. Just go to the Control panel and click on Performance Information and Tools. You can see the 5 tools on the left. For now, take note of the index-based score. That's the big 3.8 in the blue box on the right. I will cover this a little later on, but wanted to bring the actual score to your attention as we will compare it later after running all the performance improvement tools. Clicking on the first tool, Adjust Visual Effects, brings up a performance option box. Notice I have chosen the radio button for Adjust for Best Performance, which removes all the check marks in the boxes below, essentially removing all the eye candy from Windows. Notice how the taskbar now looks compared to the normal Windows 7 look. The next tool is Adjust Index option. Clicking this one will bring up an index option box. This lets you configure where and what you want Windows to search. It is recommended that you leave this alone unless you are highly knowledgeable and really know what you are doing. Adjust Power Option is next. When you click on Adjust Power Options, it will open a Power Options window. Here you can choose what the power button does when it's pushed, or what will happen when you close the lid of your laptop. But you can also configure when to turn off the monitor and the hard drive to save power. I choose the High Performance option. Not the best option if you're concerned about your carbon footprint or you want to save money on your power bills. The next tool is Open Disk Cleanup. This tool cleans up all the junk that tends to accumulate and can slow down your PC, like the temp files that don't get eliminated or system files that are no longer used. It will also empty the recycle bin. The last tool is Advanced Tools. Here again, this is for the experts like IT professionals that really know what they're doing. But there are 3 advanced tools that anyone can use. View Advanced System Details and System Information. This is the best place to get all the info on your system. Generate a System Health Report. This will inform you if you have any serious problems with your PC. And the Open Disk Defragmenter is used to defrag your drives, another housekeeping chore that you should do on a regular basis. Windows Experience Index is a report card on your PC's major components. It looks at your CPU, your RAM, graphics, and hard drives, and grades their performance. This is a good gauge for overall performance and is helpful in determining if you need a hardware upgrade to support a new program. Many new software programs will indicate a minimum Windows Experience Index required needed to run. Note the subscores and the index improvement after making some of the performance improvements. ReadyBoost is an easy performance enhancement to your RAM that only takes a USB drive or a flash memory card. The minimum is at least 1 gig, but the ideal is 2 times the amount of RAM you have on your system. Simply plug in the USB drive or flash memory card and click on the device and computer. Click the Properties and go to the ReadyBoost tab and set the amount of memory you can dedicate to ReadyBoost. Last is WeatherBug. This gadget will keep you informed of the current temperature, the high-low temperature for the day, and the wind speed and direction, as well as precipitation. Pretty handy. Go to the Microsoft link at the bottom of this slide or Google Windows 7 Desktop Gadgets. Click on Get It Now, and download will automatically put the gadget on your desktop. Pick your location by entering your zip code, and you are done. I hope this presentation has been helpful. I know I learned quite a bit from researching it and got a performance bump on my own laptop as a result.